Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by, my name is Sonia. Welcome once again, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome once again. Today's video I will be showing you how I do my Bantu knot hairstyle. So guys, keep on watching. Right guys, and when I was doing this hair, when I was filming it, I didn't have a mirror to see my back. I didn't have monitoring or monitor to be able to see what I'm even doing in the back. But I was really surprised the way the hair comes out, because I couldn't see the back. I was just using my hand and doing everything. Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you like this video, kindly thumbs up, leave a comment down below for me guys. Okay guys, I've finished all the braids part and I will be doing my knot now. And this is how I'm doing my knot. I'll be wrapping round all around until I reach the end of the braid. So I take the top of in the middle of the braid and wrap it all the way around till the root of my hair. So guys, I will just be doing the only front side for you guys to see, and I'll be doing the back behind camera. Okay guys, I will be using thread and needle to secure my knot, and this is completely optional. If you want, you can use thread and needle to secure your knot. And the reason why I'm doing this is because when I sleep in the night or whenever I sleep, my knot does not unravel, so I prefer to secure it with thread so I know it can last longer. Alright guys, this is the final look of my hairstyle. If you find this helpful, kindly thumbs up, comment down below and press the notification bell, or remember to subscribe guys, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye for now.